Welcome my channel Atlas Automation BT. Friend, now I discuss Mitsubishi PLC programming, two-phase high-speed counter. Two-phase high-speed counter programming. Go to the manual. Two-phase, two high-speed counter, both 3-bit binary bidirectional counter, and the operation of the output contact for the current value is equivalent one phase high speed counter. This program high speed counter one phase and second phase. Two phase high speed counter and one phase. This program support FX3U, FX3, 3G, FX3U, FX3DC, FX3UC series. A phase. Our programming two phase high speed counter. A phase diagram, timing diagram, and B phase timing diagram. B phase start, A phase positive middle point, and A phase, B phase, it is up counter. We know high speed counter two direction, up counter and down counter, up counting and down counting, timing diagram, timing diagram. A phase, B phase, friend, one phase counter input. This is the one phase counter number and a specific device. One phase two counting input and two phase two counting input. One phase two counting input and two phase two counting input. C251, C253, C253, C254, C255, and this monitoring device, this special memory monitoring device M8251. When active, then counting is down counting. Friend, go to the PLC programming. Friend, please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation BT and active the bell icon. Okay, friend, go to the PLC programming. I write PLC program. X11 is the when X11 is start counting 251, high speed counting A phase, reset. Firstly reset ladder, and second Y change this value, edit ladder, edit mode, right. X x12 x12 x11 x12. Friends, when x11 is active, the counting is reset. Counter is reset. When S12 is active, the counting is counter is counting start. Counter is counting start. When count value k 1000. 1000 when value 1000 count, then C251 C251 is active, then output Y0 Y2 is on. Output Y2 is on when M8251, it is the PLC, a special memory. When 8251 a special memory is active, the counting value is down counting, otherwise up counting. When this switch is active, M8251 a special memory is active, then PLC high speed counter counting down counting, otherwise up counting. Same, this is the A phase counting block, and X11 X12, this is the B phase counting block, B phase counting ladder. X11 is on, then counter is C25 is reset, value reset, and when active X12, then counting is start, counting value 1000, and when counting value 1000 is count, then C25 is on and output Y4 is on, and M825 is M8254 a special PLC, a special memory. When on, then counter direction change. This is the down counting starting. Okay friends, first I compile this program, compile all, compile and start stop simulation. On the stop simulation, okay, firstly 12 X12 is on, shift enter, okay, debug modify value, double word sign, value double word sign selected, this value to, okay, 999, okay, value 999, counting below, okay, counting below, reset on, below reset, below is the reset below is on. When M8251 bit on, counting is the down counting, then count C25 in down counting, otherwise up counting. of now up counting, and when active M825 then down counting on, then down counting. Okay friends, please friends, um, I hope you understand this program, and please subscribe my Atlas Automation BD channel and active the bell icon. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.